Hello, I'm Dr. Tina Ramachander. I'm into the practice of skin, hair and nail in its health, disease and aesthetics. So I have a special interest in lasers and dermatosurgery, and I practice at Dr. Tina Skin Solutionz in Sahakarnagar, Bangalore. So medical facial is something where in a doctor's clinic you have administered certain energy-based devices which help improve, enhance your skin. So medical grade facials are done with various energy types of machines. So you have therapies which brighten your skin, there are jets of water on the skin, then there is oxygenation on the skin, and there are devices to even lift and give you a glow and send in molecules into the skin. So now the choice of doing it at a doctor's office is the fact that it's a sterile environment. The products are something which you see. There is no contact of the person's hand on the face, and it's all based with a machine. So for example, if you're doing one of the medical grade facials, it's a 5-step procedure. So we skin tighten, we brighten with a gel, we apply a oxygenation pod and then enzyme and a mask. So what happens in such scenarios is, if you have a specific issue like you have a pigmentation with sensitive skin, not all medical grade facials do the same job. The choice should come from a doctor. So if I'm going to tell you an electroporation is better because you are having a sensitive skin, I would not like to exfoliate you, the chances of you having any side effects, rashes are low. And even if there are certain side effects like rashes, you know exactly what creams have to be used to make sure that your skin is optimized. So medical grade facials are a very gentle, safe, sterile way to make sure that your skin is enhanced. It's not invasive and it's a very relaxing 45-50 minute procedure which can be done monthly once. So the answer to the question that who all can do this medical grade facial, all adults who are seeking to enhance skin. Male, female, everybody does it, and it is one of the most rejuvenating, relaxing sessions that you can take. So you should try one.